Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted to turn your text, ideas or images into high quality, engaging videos without needing a camera or professional editing skills, then you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the power of Pollo AI, the industry-leading AI video generator that lets you create realistic or even imaginary HD videos just from text prompts, images, or other video content. You can even transform regular photos into seamless, natural-looking videos. Unlike some AI tools that produce glitchy results, Pollo AI ensures smooth, realistic visuals that feel professionally filmed. It's user-friendly and accessible, making video production faster and more affordable than ever before. Let's try these features one by one. Ease image to video feature allows you to turn static images into dynamic, engaging videos effortlessly. Start by uploading one or more images. Enter the prompt, then choose a preferred video style such as cinematic or animated. This tool is beginner-friendly, requiring no technical expertise. Simply follow the steps and Pollo AI generates your video within minutes. Finally, click on Create button. It's an ideal solution for creating captivating content for marketing campaigns, social media posts, or personal use, such as animating memorable photos. Whether for professional or casual projects, this feature brings still images to life with creativity and ease. Pollo AI's text-to-video feature enables you to create high-quality videos from simple text prompts. Just type a description of the scene or concept you want, and the AI brings it to life with stunning visuals. Choose from various video styles such as cinematic, animated, or abstract to match your creative vision. This feature is perfect for businesses, content creators, and individuals looking to produce engaging videos quickly. It's especially useful for storytelling, product showcases, or crafting unique social media content. Pollo AI's video-to-video template feature allows you to transform existing videos into enhanced or entirely new versions with AI-driven templates. Start by uploading a video and choosing from a wide range of templates, including cinematic transitions, animated effects, or creative overlays. You can customize the template further by adjusting motion effects, adding text, incorporating music, or applying unique transformations like slow motion, melt, or explode. The platform's AI processes the original video and seamlessly applies your selected enhancements to produce a polished output. This feature is user-friendly, requiring no advanced editing skills, and delivers results in just a few minutes. Pollo AI offers a unique range of AI effects and templates that add creative animations to your videos. These effects bring a high level of interaction and creativity to videos, making them ideal for engaging content creation. Some of the notable effects include AI kissing, adds a realistic animation of two characters kissing. AI hug, creates a warm, animated hug between characters. These AI-driven effects can be easily applied to videos, adding excitement and creativity with just a few clicks. ideal for social media, marketing, or entertainment videos. The AI hug effect in Pollo AI creates a realistic animation of two characters hugging. This effect adds a warm, emotional touch to videos, making them more engaging and expressive. It's perfect for videos intended to evoke feelings of love, friendship, or connection. The AI squish effect in Pollo AI adds a fun and exaggerated animation to objects or characters, making them appear as if they're being squished or compressed. Simply upload the image and this effect creates a playful, cartoonish look with smooth, fluid motion, making it ideal for adding humor or whimsy to videos. The AI automatically generates the squish effect, adjusting it to the size and shape of the subject, resulting in a natural but exaggerated transformation. It's perfect for creative projects, social media content, or promotional videos where you want to draw attention or create a light-hearted, entertaining atmosphere. And that's it. Thanks for watching. We hope you found this video helpful in exploring the amazing features of Pollo AI. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on new tips, tricks. Bye-bye.